Global Construct DNA has highly qualified technologists who produce premium products tested and certified in accredited laboratories of EU, UK, and international, including adhesive for ceramic tiles and faience, thermal insulation, mortars for consolidation and masonry, gypsum-based screeds and cement-based plasters, self-leveling, washable acrylic paint primer, Betono Contact and other products based on their own secret formulas. All these products have been tested for almost 2 decades and hold high-quality accreditation certificates, ISO 9001 International, CE for European Union and UKCA for United Kingdom and others. Ruslan is the head of our General Production Department of Global Construction DNA, a skilled and a very experienced technologist. Trust the team of professional technologists, engineers, and project managers of Global Construct DNA. Become part of the fastest growing team of a professional that is already present and active on 3 different continents and soon will be present in the most important capitals of the world. Global Construct DNA. Leave a positive mark on the planet by building future together with us.